Stories is brought to you by Dawakhana, Rihari Chungi and Gandhinagar, Jammu. The number of coronavirus cases in Jammu and Kashmir on Tuesday climbed to 565 as 19 more people tested positive for the infection in the Union Territory. All of the fresh cases were reported from the Kashmir division. Jammu and Kashmir also recorded 8 deaths due to COVID-19 after an 80-year-old woman from Rainawari, Srinagar died at a hospital on Tuesday. With underlying ailments, the woman had tested positive for the coronavirus on Monday. With the woman's death, the number of fatalities due to the virus has gone up to 8, 7 in Kashmir and 1 in Jammu. The Pakistan Army on Tuesday fired mortars along the line of control in 3 sectors, Shahpur, Kirni and Kasbah sectors of Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch district. Indian troops effectively retaliated. On Monday, the Pakistan Army had targeted Mankote area of Poonch. The Jammu and Kashmir Police has organized functions across the Union Territory to express its solidarity with COVID-19 frontline workers and during the events, followed by guidelines including social distancing. The biggest of the functions was organized at the lawns of the police headquarters at Jammu and it was led by Director General of Police Dilbag Singh. Senior officials attended the function along with doctors, nurses and paramedics from the police hospital Jammu. Curbs imposed in Kashmir to contain the spread of coronavirus have been further tightened following a spurt in the number of cases over the last few days. The restrictions on movement and assembly of people in the valley entered the 41st day on Tuesday. Security forces have sealed off the main roads in most places and installed barriers at several others to enforce the lockdown. The administration had said essential services including healthcare personnel are exempted from the restrictions, while otherwise only people with valid movement passes are allowed passage. All arrangements including repair work on roads leading to Secretariat and installing thermal screening counters are being made for the partial reopening of Darbar Move offices in the summer capital Srinagar on May 4 amid coronavirus outbreak. Repairing, painting, whitewashing, landscaping and other works in and around the premises of Civil Secretariat was going on at full pace. Security forces have arrested a suspected terrorist of Lashkar-e-Toiba and his associate close to the line of control in Uri sector of Baramulla district. Police said the two were arrested by a joint team of forces when they were moving in suspicious circumstances. Sources said Tantri had joined terrorist ranks recently and was planning to exfiltrate to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir government on Tuesday appointed Dr. Naseeb Chand Digra as the principal of Government Medical College Jammu. An order in this regard was issued by Atal Dullo, Financial Commissioner, Health and Medical Education Department. As COVID-19 lockdown continues in Jammu and Kashmir, police are conducting checks on the movement of people in view of travel restriction. Security forces and police are strictly enforcing restrictions on public movement and checking travel passes of the people moving from one place to another amid lockdown. Only those involved in essential services and government employees with passes are allowed movement. The Jammu and Kashmir government has ordered a probe into reports of huge pilferage of liquor during lockdown and constituted teams to conduct an audit of wine shops in the winter capital city. According to the reports, liquor is being sold at exorbitant rates in open markets in Jammu city during the lockdown. As per the orders issued by Excise Commissioner on April 6th and April 10, wine shops and traders shall not open their establishments unless they receive specific orders.
ये भी जैसे कि जब लॉकडाउन का पीरियड खुलेगा उसके बाद दुकानें नहीं खुलेंगी जब तक इस ऑफिस से स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डर नहीं होगा। उस ऑर्डर का मकसद ये है कि पहले हम वेरीफाई करेंगे जहाँ जहाँ से हमें कंप्लेंट्स आई हैं, दुकान को चेक करेंगे।
Finance Department, in consultation with the National Informatics Centre, J&K has developed Electronic Payment Framework JK PASES for re-engineering the existing process of payment for simpler and faster transactions from state treasuries. As per new notification, all 166 drawing and disbursing officers of Udhampur district will get training for JK PASES at NIC Udhampur. The Department of Agriculture on Tuesday ruled out any major impact of the nationwide lockdown on harvesting of rabi crops across the Jammu division and said the region is expecting a bumper crop this season. A senior government official on Tuesday said over 24 wheat procurement centers are being set up to facilitate the farmers to sell their produce. Director Agriculture Jammu division Inderjeet also said they have already started distribution of seeds and made available sufficient fertilizers for the upcoming Kharif season to ensure that the farming community does not face any problem. Hundreds of residents of Jammu and Kashmir who were stranded in Himachal Pradesh and Punjab due to lockdown arrived on Tuesday in Lakhanpur. SSP Kathua Shailendra Mishra informed that these people are being sent to their respective districts in buses after medical screening amid COVID-19 outbreak. After the appeal of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the countrymen to donate into the PM Cares Fund to fight out the corona from the country, Jammu and Kashmir unit of BJP contributed Rupee 3 crore in PM Cares Fund during the last 1 month of lockdown. Earlier on April 10th, BJP contributed Rupee 1 crore in PM Cares Fund, and on April 20th, the party again contributed another Rupee 1 crore to the fund through State Bank of India, and on April 27th, it contributed another Rupee 1 crore by handing over the checks worth Rupees 50 lakh to the chairman J&K Bank, R.K. Chibbar, and Rupee 50 lakh donated online by BJP workers and supporters to the PM Cares Fund. A total of 6,869 people have been cured of coronavirus in India so far, taking the recovery rate to 23.3%, said the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Tuesday. A total of 1,543 new cases of coronavirus have been identified, which take the total number of confirmed cases in the country to 29,435. On Monday, the ministry had put the recovery rate from COVID-19 at 22.17%. The Delhi police performed a serene parikrama of Bangla Sahib Gurdwara as a mark of respect for providing food to nearly 1 lakh people daily amid the ongoing lockdown imposed to curb the COVID-19 spread. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also appreciated Delhi police tribute to Gurdwara Bangla Sahib. The Union Health Ministry on Tuesday advised against considering the plasma therapy to be a regular treatment for coronavirus and added that it should only be used for research and trial purposes till the time there's robust scientific evidence to support its efficiency. The government added further that plasma therapy could lead to life-threatening complications if not administered properly.